Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I'm here with the last part of this fifth lesson, that is working for a living. And in the previous video, we have learned about the teamwork, that is how group of members are involved in running anything smoothly, like hospitals, markets, hotel, airplane, isn't it? So in this group of members are working together to run those things very smoothly, isn't it? Now let's continue our discussion from here, that is protecting people. Who are the protecting people for us? Who will the people who protect us from the dangers? Who are they? Let's find out. Some occupations involve protecting the lives of the people around them. So occupations means what? Jobs. Okay, so some jobs involve protecting the lives of the people. So there are some jobs in the world that protect us from the dangers. What are they? Police officers. Police officers, what they do? They'll protect the public, and firefighters help people to safety in case of emergency like fire. Okay, so police officers help us, they will protect us, isn't it? Day and night they will do the duties, and they will protect our nation by thieves and any other incidents. Okay, and firefighters also, they will help the people in emergencies, like if any house catches a fire, or if any building or if anything catches a fire, they will go there and they will put off the fire, isn't it? So they are called as the firefighters. So these are the members that protect us. Who are they? Police officers and firefighters. Okay, now you are talking, what is this? Some people think that some jobs can be done only by men and some only by women. What do you think, children? Now let's find out. Look at the list of the jobs below. Millie thinks both girls and boys can do these jobs well. Do you agree? First is doctor. Yes, in the doctor can be a boy also, a girl also, isn't it? So this job can be done by both the boy and girl. Next is teacher. Yes, you can see in our school only there are teachers which are boys also, there are which are girls also. So teachers, I mean, it is a job that can be done by both the girls and boys. Next is the pilot. Nowadays you can see the lady pilots also, they are, girls are also flying up aeroplane. So that's a good thing, isn't it? So you can pilot can be a girl also, boy also. Soldier, yes, soldier will be boy and also girl. And singer also boy and girl will be there. Artist also boy and girl. So by these, what you came to know, by these we came to know that any job can be done by both the boys and girls. Okay, most of the jobs can be done by both the boys and girls. Don't think that this job can be done by the boys only, this can be done by the girls only. Every job can be done by both the girls and boys. Okay, now what? Can you think of some jobs which have to be done at night? Do you think it is difficult to work at night? Yes, if anyone in your family has a night shift, they do the night job, you ask them how difficult it will be to work in the night. Why? Because everyone will be sleeping while they will be awake, isn't it? Like the police officers you take, there will be night shifts for them, so a whole night they will stay awake, and they will protect the public. So it is a very difficult thing, isn't it? Now let's be grateful to the people who make your life better. Say thank you every time someone lends you a helping hand. Even the smallest of deeds goes a long way. So be grateful to the people means what? The people who help you, like the police officers, firefighters, they are helping indirectly to us, directly and indirectly, isn't it? They are keeping us safe from the dangers. So we should be very thankful for them, thankful to them. Whenever you take help of those or help from like those people, you should say thank you. Okay, every time you take the help, you should say thank you. And if someone helps you, a lending hand, okay, helping hand, sorry. And even the smallest of deeds goes a long way. Even the small help will be good, and it goes a long way, you know that. And here is one activity given. What is that? What do you want to be when you grow up, children? What you want to become when you grow up? Do you want to become a doctor, or do you want to become a hotel manager, or do you want to become a pilot, police officer, firefighter? What you want to become? Ask. And why you want to become. Okay, and say the reason also. And draw a picture of what you like, what would you like to be when you grow up. And for example, if you have chosen doctor, then you have to draw the picture of that also. And also write why you want to be so, and also give the reason why you want to become a doctor. Okay, this is an activity you should and must do it. Now let's have a glance over the complete lesson. People work hard to earn money to live comfortable. Why people work hard to earn money and also to make our lives better and comfortable, isn't it? Many people work together to help us every day. Yes, there are many people. We have seen the teamwork, like in a hospital, market, aeroplane, how the people are working together to run anything smoothly, isn't it? So that's called as a teamwork. So many people work together to help us every day. In a hospital, the doctors, nurses, chemists, and other people work together. For example, you take the hospital, how many people are engaged in running the hospital smoothly? They are the doctors, nurses, chemists, and the other people, isn't it? In a market, there are many different kinds of sellers. You can find different kinds of sellers like the vegetable seller, fruit seller, bakers, florists, isn't it? So these many people will run a market smoothly. In a hotel, the receptionist, the porter, and the chef make our stay comfortable. And if you visit any hotel for a few days, what they do, how many people will help you? The receptionist will help you, the porter will help you, and also the chef, isn't it? So these many people make your stay in that hotel very comfortable and better. The pilots and the flight attendants help us in an aeroplane. Who will help you in the aeroplane? The pilots. He will fly he or she will fly the aeroplane, and flight attendants, they will help us in need. Okay. The police officers and firefighters keep us safe. What is job? What is the work of police officers and firefighters? If we are in emergency, they will keep us safe. Okay, and they will help us. So in this lesson, you came to know that everyone are working hard, and they are making our lives comfortable and better. So thank them whenever anyone helps you, and smile at them. Okay. So this was our end of the lesson, and we'll catch up with the new lesson in the next video. Till then, stay connected, and Allah Hafiz.